At the local animal shelter, there was a gray tabby named Luna who had an extraordinary gift. When sad visitors came to see the cats, Luna would sit quietly beside them, her eyes reflecting their sorrow. When excited children ran through the halls, she would playfully chase after them, matching their energy perfectly. And when anxious adults approached her cage, she would remain completely still and calm. The shelter workers noticed something magical happening. People would look at Luna and suddenly understand their own emotions more clearly. She became their mirror, showing them it was okay to feel whatever they were feeling. Sometimes the greatest healing comes from simply being seen.